Exploring the joy, understanding, lost in happiness. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a fascinating phrase, lost in happiness. This expression paints a vivid picture of an emotional state, and understanding it can add a new layer to your English communication skills. So, let's embark on this journey together and discover what it truly means to be lost in happiness. Lost in happiness is a metaphorical expression used to describe a state of being overwhelmed or fully absorbed by joy. When we break down the phrase, two key components stand out: lost and happiness. Lost here doesn't mean physically misplaced but rather mentally or emotionally immersed. Happiness refers to a state of joy, contentment, or pleasure. Combined, these words create a powerful image of someone so engrossed in their joy that the rest of the world seems to fade away. This phrase is often used to describe moments of pure joy, those times when you're so happy that nothing else seems to matter. It can be applied to various situations, from personal achievements and celebrations to simple, everyday joys. For example, you might say, at the concert, surrounded by my favorite music, I was completely lost in happiness. It's a beautiful way to express profound joy and can be used in both written and spoken English. Whether you're telling a story, writing a descriptive essay, or sharing a moment with friends, using lost in happiness adds depth and emotion to your narrative. To help you better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at a few examples. 1. After receiving the news of her promotion, she was lost in happiness, unable to focus on anything else. 2. The children, lost in happiness, played in the park until sunset, forgetting the world around them. 3. As he looked into her eyes, he felt lost in happiness, knowing they would spend the rest of their lives together. These examples showcase how lost in happiness can be used to describe different scenarios where joy takes precedence over everything else. We hope this video has illuminated the beautiful expression, lost in happiness, for you. It's a reminder of the power of joy and how it can envelop us, creating moments of blissful unawareness of anything but the happiness we feel. Such expressions enrich our language and allow us to share our emotions more vividly with others. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this explanation helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more insights into the English language. Until next time, keep exploring the depth of emotions through your words, and maybe find yourself lost in happiness along the way.